That one's over, people. So, mad dogging. Loves the mad dog, I guess. This one wants to wave and say hi. Look at this. Look at this right here.
How you doing, buddy?
Good. About yourself. Name and badge numbers?
Officer Chester, Walker Police Department.
How you doing? How you doing? And yours? Look at him running the plate. Look at this. Come on, Craven. What you doing?
Huh?
Was this the car wash?
Car wash, yeah.
Car wash.
What you doing, Craven?
What's up, Bob? You doing all right?
Yeah, about yourself, man.
Good. You got a license, registration, insurance on you?
4.
Or your license actually where I can identify you?
4.
Because you're loitering at this point. You're not using this business.
I bet you I got quarters out on my seat that I was fixing to wash my car.
Okay, well, you've been here.
I've been here. I've been here for 4 minutes. I've been here for 4 minutes. I've already been here.
For the owner.
Okay.
This is loitering. You're not using
This is not loitering. This is not loitering.
You're not using the business.
So I can't. So I can't use my phone. I can't hang up on the phone call. This is not loitering.
Can I have your ID, please, sir?
Craven, really? You really gonna go this far?
Can I have your ID, please, sir?
For sitting here for 3 minutes before I wash my car?
Can I have your ID, sir?
And finish the cigarette before? For what crime? What crime do you suspect me of committing?
I just said you were loitering. I've always.
It's not loitering.
Yes, it is. It is.
I've been sitting here for 3 minutes and I've got it all on camera. I've got it all on camera.
No problem.
I've got it all on camera.
Can I see your ID, please?
For what crime?
I just said loitering.
Loitering. That is not loitering, sir.
Okay. Can you show me your ID, please, sir? One more time. Can I identify you, please, sir? I have a lawful right to identify you. You're committing a crime, loitering. If you don't identify yourself, by state law, that's resisting an officer. Do you know that?
I know 14-108. 1408. 108. Am I right or wrong? 14.108.
You're failing to identify yourself.
It's not failure to ID if there's no crime being committed. I've got quarters. I've already showed the quarters on my passenger seat. I had to finish. I was trying to finish my cigarette before I washed my car.
Can you give me your ID, please?
You really want to go this way? All right, watch this, people. Rights violations, 4th Amendment rights violations right here.
Show it to me.
This is a 4th Amendment rights violation right here, people. I was finishing my cigarette, fixing to wash my car because it's dirty, and he wants to come up and violate my 4th Amendment rights right here.
You're talking about search and seizure?
No, this is a 4th Amendment right to my papers, persons, and effects for committing no crime. There's no crime. There's no crime being. There's no. I don't give a shit what you got to say. There's no crime being committed here. I was fixing to wash my car. I was finishing my cigarette. I've been here for 3 minutes. 3 minutes, and it's all on camera. So you're about to look stupid in front of everybody. And what's your badge number?
Walker 34.
34. I already got 32 fired because of some stupid shit like this. And Craven knows who the hell I am. Look at this. Look at this. Let me show you all my quarters again that I was going to wash my car with. They're all right here. I was finishing my cigarette, fixing to wash my car, and he decides to come over and tell me I am loitering.
So if you're not using this business...
I'm using this business.
So we've been sitting over there for over 4 minutes.
Oh, so we're judging this whole entire stop over 3 and 4 minutes.
But we've been
3 or 4 minutes.
3 or 4 minutes.
Dude, it takes 6 minutes. It takes 6 minutes to smoke my cigarette. It takes 6 minutes to smoke my cigarette. It takes 6 minutes to smoke my cigarette.
It is cameras. It is.
That's fine. Yes, and I'm recording the whole entire thing. Oh my God! Yeah, right, dude.
So you're not using this business at all. Where are your quarters at?
They're right here.
Let me see your quarters.
Right here. They're right there in the passenger seat.
Okay.
They're right there. See them all lined up across the seat right there? Okay. But I have a right to smoke a cigarette before I wash my car, you idiot.
Okay.
Idiot.
That's fine.
Y'all are fissing. Craven's fissing to get fired. Y'all just lost y'all's qualified immunity. Yeah, y'all just lost y'all's qualified immunity. Yep.
Look, I'm gonna tell you this one time, okay?
I'm washing my car.
Are you gonna listen to me?
I don't have to listen to you. That's the thing. I'm washing my car. Now, did you run my driver's license so I can continue with my night?
Can I talk to you or not?
I have no reason to listen to what you got to say. I'm just going to wash my car after I finish my cigarette.
identify you.
But it is a Fourth Amendment violation for no crime being committed.
You committed a crime. Loitering is a crime.
Loitering is. I have been sitting here for 3 minutes. Listen to this, people. Listen to this.
Is a crime.
This is ignorance.
It's on camera. The owners
Exactly. 3 minutes. 4 minutes. I've been sitting here.
Several times about people sitting here doing unlawful things.
I'm finishing my cigarette and just going to wash my car.
So
that gives me a right to sit here for 3 minutes until I finish my cigarette.
It gives me a right to identify you because
it does not. You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong.
Okay, you're right. I'm right.
No, you're wrong.
Right.
Craven, you're wrong.
And what's crazy is the same camera system that you're talking about is the same camera system that's going to see them following us around, making traffic stops.
I have every right to follow y'all. I have every right to keep my government accountable.
I have every right to identify you when you're committing a crime.
I have not committed no crime. I have not committed no crime. I have not committed a crime. I should have let you take me to jail. Is what I should have did. I should have refused the ID, and you should have taken me to jail because I would have had your badge. You want to go? You want to go ahead and turn it in now? Take off the whole clown costume. Take off the whole clown costume. I am clean. I know I don't have nothing wrong with me. That's right, -17. But you're out with somebody. See, I know. And you're talking about 14108. It is failure to ID for not giving ID whenever it is lawfully reasoned. But it is not. It is. So if somebody decides to pull up in a car wash and dig quarters out of their console and have a cigarette before they wash their car, they're not allowed to do that.
But you've been sitting here
out of your car.
I cannot dig in my center console to get quarters out when I'm out of my car.
Showing that you're actually using the business, I have no problem with that.
But I have proof that I'm using this business.
You don't have proof. You don't have proof because
you don't have proof that I'm not using this business.
Okay, I was over there sitting
for 3 minutes, 4 minutes. You even said on camera that it was 4 minutes. Just go on, go do y'all's job so I can continue with my night.
Okay.
Bye, deuces. Y'all are dismissed. You're dismissed.
You can grab your
dismissed.
ID, but if you're going to use this business, you go ahead and use the business.
I'm going to dismiss. I don't even want to hear this. Go on, dismiss. Goodbye. Y'all have a bad night because y'all deserve it. Y'all. Good night. Get out of here. This is what you call ignorance of the law. Fourth Amendment violation. I will have your badge, Craven. I will have it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now get out of here.
Okay.
Make sure you keep your mouth shut. You have the right to remain silent. Use it. You should. Yes, right. You have a right to remain silent.
Unfortunately, there are instances where law enforcement officers misuse their authority, retaliating against individuals who exercise their rights. This situation highlights the issue of misuse of police power. The officers had no lawful basis to stop and demand Truth Be Told's identification simply because he was filming their traffic stop. Sitting in a car for a few minutes while preparing to wash it does not constitute a crime, nor does it provide reasonable suspicion of criminal behavior. The officer's demand for ID in this context appears to be a retaliatory act aimed at intimidating the man for exercising his First Amendment right to film the police. The officer's accusation of loitering is also deeply problematic. Loitering laws, which are often vague and inconsistently enforced, have been used historically to harass and intimidate individuals, particularly those engaged in lawful activities in public spaces. In this case, the claim of loitering was unfounded, as the man was not lingering without purpose. The police have a duty to protect the rights of citizens, not to punish them for engaging in constitutionally protected activities. Individuals may feel unsafe or hesitant to assert their rights, fearing retaliation or wrongful arrest, which is a community no one wants to live in. Let's continue. Welcome back to CT3, Best ID Refusals.
How are you today? Sir, can you talk to me? Do you have any?
Being detained?
I'm just talking to you just because we were filming the airport and the officer was concerned. It's a little concerning because you were filming a secure area of the airport.
Am I being detained?
Sure. Do you have ID on you, sir?
What's your name and badge number?
That's Officer Madrid, star number 4143. Can I see your ID? Sir, can you put that down? You're being detained. You're being detained now.
No, then you're illegally detaining me.
No, sir, I'm not.
Did I commit a crime?
Sir, what you're doing is very suspicious.
But is it a crime?
I'm investigating it.
But did I commit a crime?
Something suspicious occurred, sir. Do you have ID on you?
If I didn't commit a crime, then there's...
Sir, you're being detained. What you're doing is very suspicious.
But I'm asking you, what crime did I commit?
You're filming the airport, sir. Sir, do you have
Did you just see the smile on your face? Come on, you know how silly that sounds?
Okay, sir, do you have ID
How many
on you?
people in the airport have cameras and take video and picture of the...
Okay, but you're filming the airfield. You're filming a secure entrance. It's very curious.
Well, I'm telling you, there's people in the airport with cameras and they take pictures and video.
Okay.
And you're out here detaining me because I'm out on a public sidewalk, on a public trail,
Sir,
videoing or taking pictures.
The information I received from the other officer made it
Okay,
sound
I'm
very
asking you if
suspicious.
I committed a crime.
Sir, I'm asking you for ID because you're being detained.
Well, I'm asking you if I committed a crime.
Well, I'm trying to determine that. Can you do me a favor?
Well, in order for you to
Can you
detain me,
provide
you
me-
have to be accusing me of committing a crime.
Sir, I could just be suspicious of something that may be occurring. Do you have ID on you, sir?
If I didn't commit a crime,
Sir, do you
there's
have
no...
some type of ID? Any type of ID?
Look, you just make... Am I being detained or am I free to
I
go?
told you you're being detained.
Okay, then I'm
detaining you.
I don't answer any questions.
Okay, you're not being charged with the crime, so you can't answer questions. Do you happen to have ID on you?
Well, then if I didn't commit a... If you're saying
Sir,
I did not commit a crime,
I'm just asking
then why are you detaining me?
Sir, what you're doing is very suspicious. I'm investigating. I'm trying to determine
Who
whether
does
something's
not
going
come
on.
out here with cameras and take pictures and video?
Sir, do you have ID on you?
Do you know where this video is going?
I don't know where this video is going.
It's
but I'm
going on
asking you.
YouTube.
That's fine. Can you provide
And-
me with some ID, sir? Please.
Unless I committed a crime, or you can articulate a crime that I have committed, then I'll give you my ID.
Sir, you have to understand.
But if I did not commit a crime, there's no reason for you to come out here
you
and give
have
me
to
my...
understand why it's concerning to the other officer when you're filming a secure checkpoint. You have to understand why that's concerning, and the fact that you're filming the
There's
airfield
people that...
and you're filming the fence line.
There's people that
of a
stand
secure
along this whole
airport.
trail right here and take pictures and
Okay,
video.
but that's not what he was concerned about. It wasn't the trail that you were filming. It was over where the gate mechanism is. So you have to understand why that's concerning to the officer.
Same thing, I'm out in public.
Okay, sir. But you're not just filming the airfield or the
Look,
nature.
I gotta keep walking, man.
Sir, I'm asking you for ID because you're being detained.
Did I commit a crime?
Sir, I'm asking you for ID.
I'm asking you if I committed a crime. If you're telling me that I committed a crime and I'm under arrest or I'm being investigated for a crime...
Sir, I'm trying to determine whether some type of crime occurred. That's all. That's all this is. That's all
I know
I'm
how
doing.
this works.
I'll tell you what, here comes,
Hey.
it looks like the other officer may be on his way. So he's still standing at the checkpoint.
Well, I haven't committed a crime, so I'm gonna be on my way.
Okay, sir, I'm asking you for ID because
Look, I
it
don't-
is suspicious. What you're doing
What is
the
suspicious?
behavior that you were exhibiting
What was
over
I
by
doing?
the gate. What the other officer explained to me is that you were filming the secure checkpoint and where the gate mechanism and everything is. So
Did
you
I
gotta
go
understand
inside?
what- you
Did
gotta
I go?
understand-
Did I go inside a zone where I wasn't supposed
Sir,
to?
you have to understand why that's concerning.
Okay, I'm asking you a question. Did I enter a zone
And
where
I'm
I wasn't
asking
supposed
you for
to?
ID.
Was I on a public sidewalk? Did he
Because-
tell you I was on a public sidewalk?
Sir, all he told me was you were filming that area, which is suspicious.
Look, man,
It's suspicious.
I'm trying to say,
understand why
I'm
it's
trying to
suspicious.
save you from you guys looking bad.
Okay, sir.
You know.
That's fine.
Now, by you detaining me, you're already wasting
sir,
my time.
all I'm
You're
asking
impeding
you-
my ability to travel.
Sir, all I'm asking
You know that, right?
is for some ID. That's all I'm asking you for.
But I want you to listen to this. You understand that you now are impeding my ability to travel.
Do you happen to have ID on you?
What crime did I
I'll
commit?
tell you what. Can you give me your name?
What crime did I commit?
Sir, can you give me your name?
Look, okay, get your supervisor out here.
That's
Because
fine.
now you're wasting my time, man.
Okay.
You know? What was that? What's your name? Arthur what? SFPD?
Real.
And let me zoom into your name tag.
Yeah. The 917 suspect is requesting a supervisor respond out to the scene.
I'm getting cold, man.
Okay,
Come
I
on.
understand that,
I
sir.
gotta go for a walk.
But I'm trying to I'm trying to investigate.
You're impeding my ability to travel. You know that, right?
Sir, I have not impeded your ability to travel.
Let's stop and do this.
Way.
Let's stop and do this.
Sir, and I've already explained to you that you're being detained.
Check this out. We're gonna do this. Are you a public servant?
Sir, do you have
I'm asking you if you are a public servant.
What do you think?
No, I'm asking you a question. I want you to answer.
Uniform, sir?
I'm asking you a question. Yes or no?
Am I in a police
Are you
uniform?
a public servant?
Sir, do you have ID? You're being detained. Do you have ID?
You're impeding my ability to travel.
Sir, do you have ID? Can you tell me your name?
Man, you're gonna look bad online, dude.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. But I'm asking you, your behavior was
what
suspicious.
crime was committed?
Listen,
what crime was committed, man? You know, look,
the area that you were filming was suspicious.
Okay, where was I standing?
According to the other officer.
Where did he tell you where I was standing?
He did not tell me where you were standing. He told me what you were filming and why it concerned him.
Usually I don't go live because I don't like the picture quality.
Okay.
But yeah. I'm gonna go for a walk, man.
Okay.
Come on, you gotta stop impeding my ability to travel, dude.
I'm asking you for ID.
Look, there you go, man. You won't let me travel. Why are you?
Sir, I'm just asking you for ID. I'm just trying to determine what's going on here.
I did not commit a crime, man.
Suspicious.
Leave me alone.
You gotta understand the area that you're filming at the airport.
Now you're harassing me. You know what bullies are in school?
Okay.
Do you know what a bully is? Okay. Do you know what they do in school? Was I on the public sidewalk?
Sir, I don't know. I wasn't here at the time. I was just listening to what he told me. He said you were over there with the tripod filming an area that really there's not much to look at.
Okay, I'm gonna do this. What did you say your last name was?
Madrid.
Officer Madrid, it was a pleasure meeting you. Have a nice day.
All right. Well, I'm just curious. Would you be willing to tell me why you filmed it?
If you took an oath, man, come on. I don't know how you're gonna become an officer, and you know, I don't know, man. You're a smart person. If you went to school, then your head should be in the right place.
It is. It is.
You know.
So I'm just concerned for the safety of the public. That's all.
Was there a crime committed?
I don't know if a crime's been committed yet. That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Come on, man.
Go ahead.
I can't believe this.
Yeah, it's okay.
All right, have a good one.
The First Amendment protects the right to record matters of public interest, including the activities at public places like airport security gates. This protection is vital for transparency and accountability, allowing citizens to document their surroundings without fear of harassment or retaliation from law enforcement. The officer repeatedly asked the man for identification, a request made over 30 times. Such persistent demands, especially when the individual is engaged in a lawful activity, constitute harassment and an abuse of authority. There must be a legitimate reason for an officer to request identification, and filming in a public place does not provide such a reason. This repetitive questioning indicates an attempt to intimidate and pressure the individual rather than uphold the law. The officer's eventual retreat from this unlawful detainment highlights the strength of knowing and asserting one's rights. Dr. Manhattan stood firm and did not succumb to the police pressure, demonstrating the importance of being informed about legal protections. By refusing to comply with unlawful demands, he upheld his constitutional rights and set a precedent for others facing similar situations.
The f*** out of here, man. Él me está grabando. What we got here? Who you calling? How you doing, man? What's going on?
Nah, don't take this out.
What?
Take it out. You don't
Take what out?
The video.
You got a mask on. Inside.
Go, come on.
Inside.
Don't talk to me like that.
Inside, ma'am.
It's so good.
Inside.
¿Tienes un problema?
¿Eh?
¿Tú tienes un problema?
Sí, yo tengo un problema.
¿Cuál es su
Don't hit
problema?
him. Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Come. Come. Come.
He's just sitting here recording.
¿A ti qué te importa?
A mí se me importa.
¿A ti qué te importa? ¿A ti qué te importa? ¿Que no te qué? ¿Que tú estás loco? Haz lo que tú quieras. Haz lo que tú quieras. Que la solté, pa. Haz lo que tú quieras también, man. ¿Tú quieres salsa también? Anybody, nigga. Anybody, man. Anybody can fucking get it, nigga. Tú estás loco, bro. Tú vienes para acá, para este país, aquí a faltar respeto, cabrón. Primo, no, yo te quiero a ti, tú estás bien, ¿no? Pero este me dijo marica, bro, y eso, yo no voy con ese flow, ¿oíste? ¿Oíste? Estamos en América, man, aquí está todo el mundo grabando, mira, él me está grabando. Mira para allá, mira, allá hay cámara, mira. Mira para allá, hay cámara. Everybody, all of y'all do whatever y'all love to do. I'm a videographer, I love to do videos. Nobody gonna tell me to stop recording, especially in America, when we can record in public anything we want. They have to learn. They have to learn. Go ahead, do you? Oh, they here, my people. They here.
They always pull up ready to take a man down. Why you call the cops on me?
Harassing. She said harassing. What up, G? You hear this, my people? She said harassing.
Do you stay at the shelter?
How you doing, sir? I didn't even know this was a shelter, bro. I don't know what this is, bro. What down? You gotta be insane in your head, bro. Put your body cam on, please. Is it on? Thank you. What's your name and badge number?
Now it's on.
There you go. Name and badge number.
Listen.
Turn the camera on.
Do you go to this?
Name and badge number.
Do you stay here?
Sir, can you identify yourself for the people, please?
Dude.
Oh, he took my camera. He took my camera. That's that right there. That's that. That's that. $3,000, bro. And I just bought it, bro. And I just bought it, bro. I don't consent to searches or seizures. What are you doing, sir? What are you doing, sir? What happened? You stole my camera, brother. Your Honor, he just took my camera, $3,000. Prosecution, he just took my camera. I'm a journalist working on a story. And the officer just came and took my camera. Why? Sir, it's gonna break, bro. Yo, can you at least stop it? EDP? You crazy, bro. Yo, my P, he say EDP. Yo, can I get my camera? Can I get my camera?
Toro.
I'm allowed to record. EDP here for what? That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. What do you think? Do you think? See, they're gonna say that I'm crazy. EDP, my people.
That's not the case. You're not crazy.
No. It's all right. They're gonna get to know who I am.
You're allowed to.
What precinct? 75th.
You're allowed to.
My camera, my people. EDP. They're gonna EDP me. Officer Kanikari. Kanikari 29773. Damn, well, you broke my shit. You're breaking my shit.
To be honest with you, you're causing a scene here.
I'm not causing a scene. You don't even know what happened, bro. They were trying to steal my camera, bro. I'm a journalist. I'm a blogger. You know who I am, don't you? You know who I am? That's crazy, bro. Yo, EDP, my people. Yeah. Who? Don't mean from there.
No, they don't.
They know nothing about it. It's recorded. Everything is recorded. So you don't know what was going on. You came late. You came late.
No, we have cameras. They just came here. They're not even from here.
The right to document matters of public interest is a cornerstone of American culture. This act of aggression by law enforcement not only infringes upon these rights, but also sets a dangerous precedent in front of the immigrants. The actions of the officer are profoundly troubling. By seizing the man's camera, the officers disregarded his right to document and report on issues of public concern. This situation highlights a gap in understanding and respect for the rights enshrined in the U.S. Constitution. It is essential for all residents, regardless of their legal status, to understand that freedom of speech and the press are protected rights that must be upheld and respected. Eli conducted several follow-ups from this incident to hold the officers accountable for their actions. His persistence in seeking justice is crucial for maintaining the integrity of professional policing. Holding law enforcement accountable for their misconduct is essential to prevent future violations and to ensure that the rights of individuals are respected and protected. Head over to his channel to catch up with everything that transpired in this incident. Let's continue.
For right now, yeah, you're going to
For what?
a supervisor.
What am I being detained for?
Pictures at an airport.
What crime have I committed?
You're taking pictures at an airport.
Is that a crime?
It's not illegal here to do so. You need to have permission.
So what statute do I have?
I know you're not.
Again with the terrorists. What statute do you have?
2016.
What statute do you have? What crime have I committed?
You're under arrest. It's Yeah.
I'm under arrest?
You're not. You're not.
Okay, am I being
not
detained?
Under arrest.
Am I being
We
detained?
would like for you to stand by.
Am I being detained? Yes or no? The answer is yes or no. You have to answer that yes or no. What's the answer? Yes or no? Am I being detained?
You're not being detained, but
have
we're
a good
follow
one.
you all day.
That's fine. And can I have everybody's badge numbers and their names?
Yeah.
Can you write it down for me?
Yeah.
I'm not being detained, so I'm not giving you.
But I am answering your question. This is for a Terry stop.
Terry stop, what crime have I committed?
You are taking photos of a not public property.
This is public property.
Sir, can I please see your license?
This is public property.
Are you refusing now to give me your license, sir?
Let's see. It's Camillo versus the state. I don't have to give you my license. It's not this isn't a Terry stop. You still haven't told me what crime I've committed.
You have committed no crime, but
thank you.
Then
it's not a Terry.
It's not causing public alarm.
It's not a Terry stop.
You are causing
so
public
you just
alarm,
lied.
Sir, you are causing.
You just lied.
Saying that you were
correct.
Being suspicious, so that's what we're doing.
Is that a crime?
They called you in, yeah.
Suspicious of what crime is that?
You're in the airport, sir.
What crime is that?
You're being suspicious in the airport.
What crime is that?
You know what's going on in the world today.
What crime is that?
Do you understand?
What crime is that?
You can keep on repeating what crime that is.
Because you're not answering.
Stupid.
You're not answering. You're playing stupid.
My supervisor will
I've asked you now
explain to you.
what crime I've committed numerous times. You can't answer me. He just told me it's a Terry stop. You said I've committed no crime. There is no Terry stop. You have to articulate exactly what crime I've committed.
Suspicious
correct?
Behavior. There you go.
That's a crime. That's a crime.
Absolutely. In this location,
all right, let me see the statute.
If you're being suspicious,
let me see the statute.
Calls us to you.
Let me see the statute.
Now we have to talk.
Let me see the statute. What statute is it?
Google it on your phone.
No. What
statute?
Google it on your
you
phone.
have to provide me with a statute because you're the one that's stopping here.
You will now speak to our
Am I being detained?
This conversation's over. You talk to my
Have a good one.
supervisor. All right.
A Terry stop in the United States allows the police to briefly detain a person based on reasonable suspicion of you being involved in criminal activity. So stopping an individual based on filming in public is not criminal activity. Because remember, the First Amendment of the United States gives us the right to freedom of press. In this day and age, knew its rights and wasn't going to allow these cops to violate them. The Terry stop originated from the Supreme Court case Terry v. Ohio, but it does not supersede the Fourth Amendment right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures. If you ever find yourself in this situation where law enforcement officers want to conduct a Terry stop, first make sure you're recording the encounter because the police will lie. So you need an official record just in case you may need it in court. Next, ask the officer what crime they suspect you of committing. Ensure that it's an actual crime backed by a penal code because law enforcement officers will create a crime if you don't know any better. Let's continue.
So what's the deal?
Ain't no deal. What do you mean deal?
You guys.
There's no deal.
Okay, well the business is calling you guys.
Okay,
and you're taking pictures of people coming and leaving.
Sure enough, absolutely.
Okay. Is there a reason for that?
Yeah, there's always a reason for stuff.
Okay, well, you
What's
mind
your name? I can't.
elaborating me with that on what that
Harris? Is that?
Yes.
B.S. Harris.
Do you mind elaborating on what the reason is you're out here?
I don't got to tell you all that, man.
You don't, but I'm just asking so I can inform them.
I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah, just tell them we doing whatever we can do out here. Legally allowed. Yeah.
That isn't making sense, but okay.
Well, it ain't got to make sense.
Okay. Well, all I'm asking you is don't go on their property.
I've never been on their property. I don't need your directives. I don't need them. I'm grown. I'm grown.
They're gonna trespass
I'm
you.
grown. Okay? I don't care if they trespass me. I don't even know what this place is, dude. I don't care.
Okay.
Okay? They can trespass all they want.
You're trying to looking for a scene to make or
no,
something like that?
I'm out here recording. That's what I'm doing.
Making a scene. Got it.
No,
okay.
What scene? What scene?
They're going to have you trespass.
You making a scene. You're being disorderly. Would you calm down? You're being disorderly.
Okay.
So stop.
That's all I'm
Stop with directives. I don't want to hear nothing. Stop talking.
Don't go on their private
Stop
property,
talking.
Okay? That's it.
Stop talking.
That's it.
I don't need that. I don't listen to you. You're not my daddy.
Okay. I'm just informing you about what's
I don't care what you got to say.
Okay, that's it.
Then go home. Be gone.
Okay. That's all, man. I'm just having a conversation.
I'm a grown man. I do what I please.
I see that.
Okay?
I see that.
Right.
What was that?
You're dismissed, she said. Are you hard of hearing?
Yeah, actually.
I am too. So there you go. There's your partners here.
Yeah, okay, that's great. All I'm telling you is you can't go on.
You don't need to tell me nothing. I'm a grown man. I know the laws and what not to do.
Well,
I'm grown.
Some people don't know.
You done said that 4 times.
I know. I'm just that's my.
Because you want to say it again? Say it 5 times. It'll mean a lot. It'll mean a lot if you say it 5 times. It'll actually stick.
If you go on the private property, you're going to get charged.
5 times. There you go.
Yeah.
What an idiot. What an idiot, dude.
As long as you understand.
Yeah.
Understand that as well.
Hey, I understand that. You understand that? You understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that? You want me to turn it up? You understand that?
I thought you were grown.
Yeah. That's not saying you're number one either. So go back to work.
So I'm just gonna go talk to him. Yeah, right. He's just trying to. I'll take care.
Yep. What's your name, sir? Sir. Sir. Are you deaf too? Deaf and dumb, just like the first one.